I'm gonna have to take away one of your legs. Sorry. What's up, you guys? I haven't vlogged in like forever, so I thought I'd get back to it. It is 10:46 in the morning. I'm watching YouTube, as you guys can see. Funk Bros. Let's see what the day holds for us. My toe is sticking out of my sock. I need new socks. Bear with me, I just woke up. Nah, that's a lie. I woke up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Nice. Vlog. Say what's up to Fausto. Yeah. I'm not gonna turn on the light because it has the me. Yeah, that. Oh my god, the bed sheets are moving. I'm just kidding, that's a dog. So we bought a dartboard. That's cool. That's dope. Today, we're not doing anything crazy. I have to open the garage. Yup. Look at his bike. Ooh, sweet. Hello, Carito. See how these bricks are like all lifted and stuff? This was like all over here and I fixed it. Isn't it so nice, pretty? I gotta fix those. That's what I'm doing today. Gotta get all the essential tools. Most importantly, let's go play some Fortnite. See that guy right there? That is a root coming from this guy right here. So that means if I want to level these out, I gotta hurt the tree. So let's say our sorries to the tree before we start damaging it. You've lived a long life, buddy, and I'm gonna have to take away one of your legs. Sorry. I love you. Yep. So I took a break to come inside real quick, and this is what we got. Let's see how this goes. Let's give you guys a first-person view. Oh! Look at this! Yo, I'm good at this game! Okay, alright, I'm out. I'm leaving. Let's get back to this work. We have good news. The job is done. It is now fairly flat. There are gaps because I'm not the perfect guy, okay? I'm not perfect. But I try my best. This is the outcome. Now I gotta clean up all this mess. I'm a little dazed, thirsty. But we got it done, and we're gonna go inside and get something to drink because I am parched. Jesus, what did you do? Oh my god, it's all over on the door.
Looks like explosive diarrhea.
Jesus.
Probably what's gonna happen after we eat this.
Look at this. Oh, bro, I'm about to devour this. I'm sitting down right here. All done. You ready? About to do the kayaking in this tiny ass place. I got a little wet, but it's all good. So did you have fun? Yeah, that was nice 5-minute kayak. Yeah. What's up, Maya? What's up, Maya? I'm telling you, we have to do like a cute montage of this dog. I'm doing that right now. was the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just gonna sit here, chillax on this unicorn. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on those post notifications. I'm gonna start posting a lot more now. Leave a comment down below if you enjoyed it and what you guys want me to do next, because you know your input really helps. Other than that, hope you guys have an amazing, beautiful, blessed day. I love you guys. Take it easy. Peace. Yeah, that was...
Throw them.